her teen doing homework for so long that there's not enough other study time. Oh my goodness, this is a huge one, especially for hard-working students. They spend so long on certain tasks, and we kind of have that feeling, we're like, really, is this really supposed to take this long? And it probably isn't. And there are definitely ways that they can get more laser focused on the task at hand, what's really going to get the marks, and the strategies they're using to accomplish that. And I'm definitely going to go into some of the specifics on that. Janelle says, teen not understanding what's being asked. This is a huge one. I'm going to have a very specific skill and strategy that I'm going to cover this evening that makes a huge difference to this. So they know exactly what they're being asked to do, and I'll also show how it relates to the marking guide so they know exactly what to put in their answer. This is going to be amazing. I hope you are here, Janelle. Kath says, knowing what to study. This is something that I really resonate with from when I was a student. I was a pretty keen student. I was the person that when, the teachers would say, oh, what else can she do? Okay, well, she could do, like at parents' meeting, do some wider reading around the subject. And I did, and it was basically a waste of time. And I know that might sound crazy coming from an educator and a teacher and a study coach, but there are maybe 100 things I could list of what is more effective in study, and knowing why we're doing that study and how purposeful it is. I could list like another 100 things that I would give someone to do before that.